Try to redo this experiment again. This is using a significant amount of weight in the middle, in this middle section here, but it's believed to be not as much weight as that marble over there. The goal is to be able to lift the heavy marble without much application of a smaller marble. We can see that we can make the larger marble move longer distance. This is only using a special crossover right here in the middle, where this weight on this end is applying significantly more pressure somehow, using this sideways lever there, and the crossover with the sideways lever. So that's apparently how it works. That's how I've been able to reproduce it. When this has less weight, and when it's not crossing over, I found that it doesn't have the same effect. It doesn't end up moving when it's not crossed over. So that's something to notice. As soon as it's crossed over, it either has to be crossed over a lot, sort of like that, or it has to have additional weight on the secondary heavy end there that crosses over. So that's apparently how it works. It might also have something to do with the way that heavy ball is supported, but I'm not quite sure. So thanks for watching.